Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 12T, and today I will show you how you can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, let's hold our power key. And when you see your boot options, just select power off. The device will turn off, and once it does, you want to hold power and volume up at the same time. This will take us to recovery mode, at least the equivalent of it on this phone, where we will find our safe mode. Now, I think I held it for a little bit too long. Let's just do that once more. There we go. So if you keep holding the button for too long, the power and volume up, it turns off the device again. So if you see the Xiaomi logo just disappear, when you're still holding the keys, let go of them and start holding them again like I did. And just let go a little bit after you see the Mi logo. Now this will take you to, like I said, the recovery mode. So in here, using volume keys, you want to navigate down. So just press volume down a couple times. When the safe mode is selected, press power key. This will now reboot the device into safe mode. Now, once the device is in this mode, only the pre-installed applications that come with the device by default will function. Anything that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled in this mode. And the reason for that is this mode is designed to troubleshoot your device. If you have some kind of problems, maybe you've downloaded, installed some kind of malicious application. Maybe you created an application that just completely screws up with your device and you just can't use it. By booting it into safe mode, you should get rid of that problem and you should be able to just solve it from there. Now, just kind of, come on, turn on a little bit quicker. And there we go. So as you can see, once the device is on, we do have this little watermark in the corner right here saying safe mode, just so you know that we are in it. And additionally, if I flip to the pages, you can see I have a bunch of like weird empty spaces. This is not the orientation of the apps that I had just default. These empty spaces are locations where apps wouldn't normally be located. So now in safe mode, they just completely disappear. Now, if you're wondering, how are you supposed to get rid of apps that are causing you problems if you can't even see them? As you would, for instance, navigate into the settings. From here, you can navigate to, where is it? There we go. Apps and manage apps. And you can see all the apps are showing up here. So you can get rid of them, do whatever you want with them. Anyway, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to normal one, you can just hold power key once more and simply select reboot. Once the device reboots, it goes back to normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.